JOBOX aluminum crossover truck boxes provide superior security, featuring the new GearLock 2 self-adjusting rotary locking system. The new twin-cam GearLock 2 self-adjusting dual rotary lock system operates like a ratchet to lock the lid tight from either side of the truck. The precision-cut, high-strength dual rotary gears engage the heavy-duty self-aligning latch loop, providing increased security as the lid closes, resisting 2,000 pounds of break-in prying force. The reinforced high-strength body and full-width steel lock console resists cargo damage and protects the lock system. Each aluminum crossover features the rigid structural lid, a reversed, foam-filled beveled edge interior that adds greater rigidity than a conventional lid. Our gas springs allow the lid to rise automatically and open to a 90-degree angle. The gas springs are protected by guards to eliminate damage and jamming. JOBOX aluminum crossovers, high-security truck boxes.